Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is exceptions in Selenium. Exceptions in Selenium occur when WebDriver is unable to perform an action as expected. They usually indicate why a test failed. Some common Selenium exceptions are no such element exception, timeout exception, stale element reference exception, and element not interactable exception, and WebDriver exception. No such element exception occurs when an element is not found. Timeout exceptions occur when operation exceeds the allowed time. Stale reference stale element reference exception when the page refreshes or the DOM changes. Element not interactable exception occurs when element exists but cannot be interacted with. In real automation projects, exceptions help us to identify application issues, fix incorrect locators, improve synchronization, debug flaky tests. Handling exceptions properly is important to make tests stable and easier to maintain. Now, if we run the sample script and see how exception handling is done. First, Selenium tries to open a Cogmenta application. It tries to find an element which is not available. If you see non-existing element, it is not able to find the element in the particular page. Instead of crashing, it is thrown a message stating that no such element exception. If you see in the code, we have written in the catch handled no such element exception. So this shows that exceptions helps us understand failures and improve Selenium automation.